Hey folks, it's Lauren from Snowy's here with the Widget Pump from Exped. It is compact and versatile. It is a mattress pump, a lantern, and a portable power pack in one. So your little Widget Pump will come in this packaging box here. It's really nice and durable, so you can use it for longer term storage as well. You'll also get your nozzle and your power cable, which I'll talk about that in a second. The pump weighs around about 200 grams or just under 200 grams, and it's 6.5 centimeters square, going out to almost 8 centimeters here with this little pump outlet arm as well. So as I mentioned before, it has 3 functions. The first one being the power pack. So in this little silicone pouch, or not pouch, sorry, silicone flap here, we've got a couple of outlets. Before I move on to this, the unit is also actually completely durable plastic as well. So our little USB-C port here is where our charging cable comes into it. It just simply plugs in here, and then you can put it into your USB outlet on your PowerPoint, or your mobile phone charger or something like that. It takes about 6 hours to charge. The reason why it takes a little bit longer than perhaps some other portable or rechargeable pumps is because it has a 3,600 milliamp power pack inside of it as well, which will allow you to put a bit of charge on your phone or something like this if it's something you're taking out hiking with you or camping or some such like that, which is why we also then have that USB output port there as well. The second function of this nifty little pump is the lantern. So if we turn it around to this side here, you can see on this little grey button we have our little fan pump symbol and our light symbol. Now the awesome thing about this is that it requires a double tap to get started, so it can't accidentally come on in your backpack. So we'll do a double tap here, and it brings on the lantern on its high setting, and we can cycle through to medium and also low. So the lantern itself is 100 lumens, and it does have a runtime of approximately 72 hours if you are running it just on the low setting, just to give you a bit of an idea of the battery capacity from that respect as well. So the third and final function that we have is our pump function. So we'll get this little nozzle here and line up the pins with the lock and twist that on. And again, we will have to do the double tap on the fan button here to get the pump moving. But I have this Exped Synmat here. It does have its own integrated hand pump, but we're just gonna plug this pump in here and bypass that one to show you today. We just need to push this valve into the pump like so, nice and snug fit. It also, because of the size and the weight of it, we don't actually need to hold the pump. We can just turn it on and let it do its thing. I've also got a timer on my watch here, which I'm going to start, so we'll see how long it will take to pump this mattress up. The widget is pretty powerful for its size. The pump capacity is measured in litres, which is 300 litres of air per minute. It also can pump up, if you're familiar with Exped's MegaMat Duo, which is their standard 10 centimetre thick self-inflating camp mat. If you wanted to pump that up with the widget, it would do that in under 4 minutes, and the pump per one charge has the capacity to do that up to 4 times. All right, there we have it. That's pumped up the Exped Synmat 9 centimeters thick mattress in 1 minute and 14 seconds. So it's pretty powerful, a nice little fast, quick unit. If you are mostly car camping, you've probably already got your mattress pump sort of lantern situation set up. But this is a really nice, light, compact, super handy, really versatile little pump here. It's an awesome option even if you're hiking, nice and lightweight. Maybe in a group you've got a couple of hiking mattresses to pump up each night, things like that. You can get this at snowys.com.au at our lowest prices every day. If you found this video helpful, give us a like. If you've got any questions or comments, chuck them below. You can head here to subscribe or here for more helpful videos. Catch you later, Snowy's fam.